Hello, friends of CCU. As you know, I'm Cynthia Alice, and I am here simply to thank you for the generous gifts you all gave in honor of my birthday this past February. The financial gifts we received totaled over $1,000, and it came in less than 24 hours. I had asked to raise $1,000 in honor of our Stop the Waste, Feed the Hungry program. Your financial gifts mean a lot to us, not only because every penny that we received will go back out to those in need, but because many of you gave having never been in our ministry before. So we send you our love, our blessing, and we thank you for your tremendous trust in us and the work we're doing. And especially this outreach program, Stop the Waste, Feed the Hungry, is run by our very own Chef Kelly Wilson, who with her team provides hot food and beautiful meals with prosperity affirmations to those in need in the city of Orlando. So thank you for your generosity. Thank you for your trust in us. We bless you on the spiritual journey.